Sometimes, the greatest discoveries in human history are not planned. They are mistakes. This is the story of a discovery that was never meant to happen, yet it silently changed medicine, memory, and the human mind forever. In 1928, a scientist named Alexander Fleming returned to his laboratory after a vacation. His lab was messy. Petri dishes were stacked carelessly. Some experiments were left unfinished. To any other scientist, this would have been failure. But to history, it became an accident worth billions of lives. On one forgotten dish, Fleming noticed something strange. A blue-green mold had grown, and around that mold, bacteria were dead. Fleming didn't jump in excitement. He was confused. The mold shouldn't have done that. It wasn't part of the experiment. Yet, wherever the mold touched, bacteria disappeared, as if something invisible was killing them. He named the substance penicillin. But here's the shocking part. No one cared. For years, penicillin was ignored. Scientists believed it was unstable, weak, unreliable. The world almost lost the greatest medical discovery of all time because it happened by accident. A decade later, World War II erupted. Soldiers were dying, not from bullets, but from infections. Simple wounds became death sentences. Desperation forced scientists to revisit Fleming's failed experiment. This time, they refined it, and what they discovered shocked the world. Penicillin didn't just kill bacteria, it saved lives at a scale humanity had never seen. But this story doesn't end with medicine, because penicillin didn't just cure infections, it changed human evolution. Before antibiotics, weak immune systems died early. Natural selection was brutal. After antibiotics, humans survived illnesses they were never meant to. We altered nature's rules, accidentally. Years later, another accidental discovery occurred, this time inside the human brain. In the 1950s, a patient known as HM underwent surgery to cure epilepsy. Doctors removed a small part of his brain. The surgery worked. The seizures stopped. But something terrifying happened. HM could no longer form new memories. HM remembered his childhood, but every new moment disappeared within seconds. He could meet someone, forget them instantly, meet them again, as if for the first time. Doctors didn't plan this, but by studying HM, scientists accidentally discovered memory is not one thing. It has types: short-term, long-term, procedural, emotional. Human identity was suddenly broken into parts. Before HM, scientists believed memory lived everywhere in the brain. They were wrong. Memory had a location, a fragile one, and it could be destroyed. This accidental discovery forced humanity to face an uncomfortable truth. If memory defines who we are, then identity is biological, and biological things can be damaged. When historians looked back, they noticed something disturbing. Many world-changing discoveries were not intentional. X-rays were discovered by accident, microwave ovens by accident, LSD by accident, Post-it notes by accident. Human progress often comes from error. Here's the uncomfortable question. What if accidents are not mistakes, but opportunities we don't understand? What if discovery itself depends on chaos? The universe doesn't reward perfection, it rewards curiosity. Every accidental discovery has a shadow. Penicillin led to antibiotic resistance. Memory research led to ethical questions. Brain manipulation became possible. Knowledge saves, but it also gives power, and power can be misused. The most dangerous discoveries in history were not planned. They were stumbled upon by imperfect humans, in messy labs, through failed experiments, by curious minds that refuse to look away, which leads to one final thought. What if the next world-changing discovery is happening right now, in a lab that looks like a mistake? And what if the universe only reveals its secrets to those who are willing to fail? Some discoveries change history, others change humanity, but the most powerful ones were never meant to be found.